Hello friends, Nico here from the Neighborhood Sellers, powered by Keller Williams. I'm hosting an open house today, 87 Hackensack Avenue in Harrington Park. Let's check out this house. House was just reduced in price. It is now $450. Phenomenal area of Harrington Park right there by the train. This is what's considered center hall colonial. So you have a nice sunroom, your dining room, or excuse me, the living room with a nice wood burning fireplace going right to your kitchen. This house has 2 full bathrooms, 3 bedrooms. Here's one of the bathrooms. We'll check out outside momentarily. The dining room. And what I love about these houses built in the 1930s is the phenomenal wood. The wood is in phenomenal shape, great wood. Trim pretty much around every part of the house. Solid wood doors, stained glasses. When I purchased my house, I got one similar to this. So when we go to your left to the second full bathroom, here's one of the bedrooms. And the lights are not even on in the rooms, and you can see how much light these rooms get. All right, your master. Another room. Again, look at this woodwork here. And like a lot of the colonials, they walk up to your attic, which is great for storage. Or you can have this as your getaway, your man cave, your hideout, whatever you want to make it. Even a kid's play area. You can have this like as a nursery, and up there, eventually their play area. So guys, checking me out. I'll be here until 4 o'clock. But let me go outside before I do all that. A lot of you know that I'm a sucker for fish. What's pretty cool here is the koi pond. So we have a hot tub. Nice little patio area. Great for gardening over here. Pretty cool koi pond right there. And a detached garage, 1 car. So guys, I hope to see you soon. Again, I'll be here until 4 o'clock today. 87 Hackensack Avenue in Harrington Park. $450,000, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms.
Subscribe to Daddy's channel.